Hello guys, my name is Akash. Welcome to CSS fonts. What is meant by CSS fonts? CSS font property is used to control the look of text by use of a CSS font property. You can change the text size, color, style and more by using font property, CSS font property. Okay. The CSS font properties define the font family, boldness, size and the style of the text. Okay. Next, first one is CSS font family, which demonstrates how to set the font family of an element. Possible value could be any font family name. The font family property should hold several fonts name as fallback system. Okay, if the browser doesn't support the first font, when I enter the Times New Roman, if the browser doesn't support, then I will enter the next font. I entered the Times New Roman and Algerian at same moment. If the browser support the Times New Roman, next one is Algerian. The browser will support the Algerian. Okay. Next thing is and so on. If the name of a font family is more than one word, it must be quotation marks. Like these things, we don't have to place like this, like this one. Okay, more than one font family is specified in a comma separated list. Okay, let me write here body. For the text I am writing font family. Okay, here I am writing Times New Roman. Next one comma Algerian. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, Times New Roman not supported, Algerian is supported by the browser. Okay, next thing is CSS font size. CSS font size properties is used to change the size of the font. Possible values could be XX small, X small, small, medium, large, X large, XX large, smaller, larger, size in pixels or inches, etc. Let me show CSS font size. For decrease it, font, let me remove this font family, font size. Wait a minute. Okay, let me remove font size. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, it's the default size. Let me go to Notepad and here I am writing which one. I am writing XX small. Okay, now in Notepad I will write XX small. Okay, let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, it decrease, it's the size is decreased. Next one I will write larger. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, it has a larger. Next thing I will write in pixels or 30 pixels or anything if you like. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, it's decreased too much. Next I am writing here 100 pixels, 800 pixels. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, the size is increased. Okay, next thing is, let me remove this default. I will write here 100. Okay, refresh. 100 is not enough for me. I will write 200. I think it's enough. Refresh. Okay, next thing is CSS font style. CSS font style properties define what type of font you want to display. It may be italic, oblique, or normal, or bold, etc. Let me open Notepad. Okay, here I am writing font style. Okay, let me write here italic. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, the words are bended to the east side, sorry, to the left, right side of the computer. Okay, next thing is oblique. I think it's bold. Oblique. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. It's not working. Let me write here bold. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, it's appeared bold. Next thing is normal. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, it's normally appeared. Okay, next thing, CSS font variant. CSS font variant property specifies how to font variant of an element. It may be normal or small caps. Let me open Notepad. What's that? CSS font variant. Font variant. Okay, what's that thing? Normal or small caps? Small caps. Let me just open Chrome, refresh. See, small caps appear. That this first letter is large, that means capital letters, and I think first letter is in bold. Next, another letters are in the smaller of than first letter. Okay, let me write here normal. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. Normal appeared. Okay, next thing is CSS font weight. CSS font weight property defines the weight of the font and specifies that how bold a font is. The possible values of font weight may be normal, bold, bolder, lighter, or numbers 100 to 900. Okay, let me show font weight. That means darker, how darker it will appear. Wait a minute. Okay, font weight. What do I want? Bold. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. See, it's appeared in bold. I will write here bolder. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. I think the both are same, bold and bolder. Next thing is lighter. Wait, I will write here lighter. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. Okay, next thing I will write here numbers 100. Let me save, open Chrome, refresh. This is the minimum, and 9. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Akash. Thanks for watching.